Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying prerequisites, API key, endpoint, and auth type so you can request data immediately. Once you have credentials, pick an HTTP client such as Fetch or Axios in your app and set headers like authorization and content type. Next, run a sample call using curl or postman to inspect the JSON response and required parameters. This early testing prevents guesswork. Make sure to record response formats and error codes before integrating into your site. Now implement the integration. Write asynchronous request logic with clear error handling, retries, and timeouts so the UI stays responsive. Because exposing secrets is risky, proxy requests through your server or use environment variables and server-side calls to keep keys secret. Once responses arrive, validate and sanitize the JSON, then map fields to your UI model to avoid runtime errors. This middle phase ensures reliability and security. Make sure to log errors and monitor latency as you finish by adding caching strategies, handling rate limits, and providing friendly fallbacks when the API is slow or unavailable so users don't see raw errors. Then write unit and integration tests and perform load tests to verify behavior under real traffic. Deploy and monitor metrics like error rate and response time to catch regressions quickly. If something breaks, first check cores, authentication scopes, headers, and JSON parsing. Often the issue is a missing header or wrong token scope.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.